Everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and also welcome to all the new viewers who are watching today. We have such an exciting day today, and I can't even explain what we're all going to do because it's all going to be at the last minute. I know I didn't really plan out too much. I just want to start doing different things today because, you know, I stay in the house all the time and I don't really get out a lot, so I really want to start getting out a lot. Just ignore my face right now. So I moved to this new state. I have no friends out here. That's why y'all always see me making simple living vlogs, because that's all I can do right now. Okay, it helps to make your skin shiny and bright, and it makes your skin soft and moist. Made in Korea. Okay, we just made it. They have 75% off today. Let's get one of these. It has aloe.
Bruh.
Help with anything? Okay, so is it just these two? Okay, that's fine. There you go. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I couldn't get the blue body wash. I came in there specifically for body wash, but I couldn't get it because it wasn't the ones that was marked down. Oh my gosh, there go Tommy's family. So we got a new toothbrush, one of these Guru brand toothbrushes. I can't believe they had them there. I got this pearl mask. I think this is a Korean brand. A rose oil lip balm. It's supposed to match to the natural shade of your lips. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. Pretty packaging. Let me take off this lip gloss. It is turning colors. It looks really nice and it's very hydrating. So I'm just gonna put on my LA Colors lip gloss top. Also looks good when you add gloss on top.